So for the last part of the financial math, financial calculations, we can have this number of questions that we need to figure out which formula to use. Fortunately, figuring out which formula to use, it's fairly straightforward. We just ask two questions. Are there regular payments? So if there's regular payments, then we're going to use PV or FV formulas that we have. If it's not regular payments, it's a lump sum, so we're going to use P or A. So now how do we know if it's the beginning or the end? We ask a very non-mathematical question. Where's the big chunk of money? Is the big chunk of money at the beginning or at the end? If it's at the beginning, that's the start, so it's going to be the P or PV. And if it's at the end, it's A or FV. Remember, every time you loan money, it's always going to be, or you borrow money, it's always going to be a PV because the big chunk comes at the beginning and it slowly goes down. Okay, and then the rest, it's just like always so far, is figuring out the I and the N. Remember that the I is the compounding per period. So you always divide by 12, or divided by 2, or divided by 4, or depending on what the compounding is. And the one that's you're still having a bit of trouble with is the figure out the N. The N is how many compounded periods there are in total time. So the questions will look kind of like this. And let me just pick a random one. Let's say this one. Let's go with 12. And it says, Maria has inherited a sum of money. She wants to buy an annuity. Okay, that one's kind of like a given because annuity means that's going to be regular payments, right? That was the definition. That will pay her $300 per month for 25 years, starting 1 month from now. Maria can invest her money at 8.5 compounded monthly. How much must she invest today into the annuity so that she will be able to give her this money? So when you buy an annuity, you're basically putting down a chunk of money and then taking it out little by little, and you have nothing in the end. So regular payments, yes, perfect. It's going to be PV or FE. Is the big chunk of money at the beginning or at the end? As I described, you put the money down first, and then you take a little bit, and there's nothing left at the end. So this is a present value, question. That's the formula we're going to use. Oh, I'm not set this up properly. But am I looking for present value or am I looking for R? Okay, so how much money must she invest today into the annuity? So okay, so this is the one that I need to find present value, and I'm gonna have R is given by, 300 is R, so that's okay. There are other questions where I actually need to find what is the regular payment, and then I'm gonna use the present value formula, but I'm actually looking for what R is. Okay, let's try another one. I haven't prepared this, so okay, what about this one? So it says Angela has $875 in her savings account. The account pays 4.5% compounded monthly. She does not take or deposit any more money within 6 months. How much interest does she account earn? How much interest did the account earn? Okay, so now she's saying, are there regular payments? This was really clear. They said, no, I didn't take any money in or out. So it's got to be either P or A. So do I want the money at the very beginning or at the end? Savings account, I pay monthly. She does not take monthly. How much interest does she account earn? So I need to figure out, I know that she's got right now, she's got 875. That's my P. So I want to find out my A. And once I have find my A, I will subtract 875.83 to figure out the difference, because the difference with money she's got now or she got in the future and the money she got at the beginning will give me the interest. So when the questions ask you for the interest, remember that it's just the difference between what you put down and what you took out. There's no real formula. The only time you're going to use this formula, like the I equals PRT, if it says simple interest, okay? If it says simple interest, that's the only time you use I equals PRT. If they ask you for find the interest, it's just a matter of how much money did they put down versus how much money I took out. So I'm just going to give you some of these questions for the next couple of days and for you to handle. Hope you have fun. And congratulations on staying here this long. Many people have given up, but I'm proud of you that you stayed with it.